Mastering English idioms. Sweat one's guts out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and vivid phrase, sweat one's guts out. This idiom might sound a bit intense, but it's commonly used in English to express a concept that's widely understood. So, let's break it down together and find out how you can use it in your conversations. Sweat one's guts out is an idiom that paints a very graphic picture, but don't worry, it's not meant to be taken literally. This phrase is used to describe working extremely hard or exerting oneself to the limit. It's often used in situations where someone is putting in a lot of effort, whether physically or mentally, to achieve something. The word, sweat, in this context is a verb that means to perspire, which is a natural response when your body is under a lot of stress or doing hard work. The phrase suggests that someone is working so hard that it's as if they're trying to sweat out their internal organs. Again, this is purely metaphorical. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at a few examples. 1. During exams, I was sweating my guts out the night before the final exam, trying to memorize all the dates for the history test. 2. In sports training, the whole team was sweating their guts out during the summer training camp to prepare for the championship. 3. At work, she's been sweating her guts out to finish the project before the deadline. I've never seen someone work so diligently. These examples show that the phrase can be applied in various contexts, not just physical exertion but also mental and emotional effort. It's crucial to understand the context in which you use this idiom. While it's a great way to emphasize hard work and dedication, it might not be suitable for very formal or professional settings due to its vivid imagery. Knowing your audience and the setting is key to using idioms like this effectively and appropriately. Sweat one's guts out is a powerful idiom that adds color and intensity to the English language. It's a testament to the creativity of English speakers in expressing the idea of hard work and effort. We hope this video helps you appreciate the richness of English idioms and encourages you to incorporate them into your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you master adds to your ability to express yourself more vividly. Thank you for watching, and keep sweating your guts out in your language learning adventure.